painting depicting the unseen, the invisible to the eye of the untrained, invisible to those with none side of forehead, the third eye, the crown, the chakra openings, the dimensions available to you. It is was painted and some beading done with spirits, names not mentioned. It's a channeling of what is to be and what is already is happening and taking place on Mother Earth. The painting is valued at 2 million, being sold for 50,000 for the recommended price as per spirit world, guides, ghosts, ancestors, gods, however you choose to name them, Allah, Muhammad, Jesus, Gandhi, Teresa, all those who are called humanitarians, all those who work unseen, all those who prefer to be hidden. In plain sight, re a leboga, vielen Dank. Dankuvel, do leboga, ditebogo, ka lerato.